what's up? It's your girl Nikki Sparks. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you a homemade protein treatment that is very excellent, very good for relaxed hair and natural hair. So let's get started. So here I have the egg. And here I'm separating the white of the egg whites, just so. So now we have the egg yolk. I'm putting a couple spoons of olive oil. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, let's go for 4. 4 spoons of olive oil. Then you mix it all together. And it should look something like this. So now that our homemade protein treatment is done, we gotta apply it, right? So I'm going to remove these braids and let's go to the bathroom. Let's go. Woo. So I removed my braids already, so now I'm going to detangle my hair so I can go and apply the treatment. I'm gonna start with my ends and then I will work my way up. So all I'm going to do is apply it from my ends all the way up. I'm gonna do it in front of my mirror. My mirror is on that side, so it's kind of difficult for me to apply the treatment while watching the camera. So yeah, I applied everything already all over my hair. Now I leave it on for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to wash my hair and I'll be right back. If you've reached this far, girl, just subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me, it will support me to help my channel grow and make me gain 1,000 subscribers, which I'm aiming for. So yeah, if you're here, subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell. So I just washed my hair and I'm gonna let it air dry. If you want to know my wash day routine, I will let the link on the description box. I already have a video on how I wash my hair, do my roller sets, and blow dry my hair. So this time I'm gonna let it air dry because I want to do some braids. I'm gonna do some braids right after. So that's the reason why I'm gonna let it air dry. And let's talk about the benefits of protein treatments on relaxed hair. So the protein treatments are an essential part of maintaining the health of relaxed hair. They strengthen the hair, help prevent breakage, repair damage, and restore elasticity, and all of that we need for our relaxed hair. The treatments are especially helpful on chemically treated hair, which is relaxed hair. So in other words, protein treatment is very good for relaxed hair, especially for relaxed hair, because it brings back elasticity, it strengthens the hair. Since the hair becomes weak after the relaxer, I'm 2 weeks post relaxer, that's why I'm doing a protein treatment. So protein treatment are designed to create a protective barrier for your hair. The additional protein grab onto your hair follicle and fill any holes and gaps within the cuticles. The result is stronger hair. So this video was about how I make my own protein treatment at home. If you want to see how my hair looks like, if you're new to this video and you want to see how my hair looks like, I invite you to check my previous video where I show you how I deep condition my hair, and there I'm showing off my hair. Today I'm not going to show my hair because I'm going to let it air dry and I'm going to braid it. I'm gonna do some cornrows myself, and I also have a video on how I cornrow myself at my hair myself at home, and I'm gonna leave all the videos links down below on the comment section. So what are the protein treatments that you love using? Do you have any other recommendation, like homemade or not? Let me know in the comment section. And again, thank you for watching, thank you for being here with me, and see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.